My name is Vera. I'm 22 years old. I come from Nigeria, from Edo State. So I come this Europe from Nigeria to Libya, from Libya across water, come this place. This is my story.
How life take be for Nigeria and wetin make you decide to leave the country?
Before I come out for Nigeria, I dey in very bad condition. Even there are some courses, every time in the school, even my brother, they were troubling my brother to come and join them. So my mother is so scared. Due to the situation, I feel like saying this Nigeria, it get a be for me. So from there, I see one woman say in the do all those, you go fit carry me come Libya. Say I go hustle for Libya, pay am money. Now Europe directly be tell me, but he can't tell me say prostitution work. Now I say no, I not fit do that prostitution work. He can't accept, and so I can't come Libya. Even that is the first time I know what about Libya. I not know Libya before. So now the woman, I through the woman, now I enter Libya.
Wetin be the whole process, the journey? How the journey take be from Niger, follow desert, reach Libya? If you explain.
The journey not good at all. The journey not good at all. From Nigeria, from Benin enter Abuja. From Abuja enter Kano. From Kano, Agadez and Zende. The journey it dey bad, very risky. Some people faint for inside. Some dey no better food to eat. Risk our life, risk till we can't reach. As we dey come now, so we dey see some soldiers. They still dey collect money, small money wey we get for our hand. They still dey collect am. So we take do, we can't reach Libya. Because before I come out for Nigeria, I already tell the woman say I don't want to do anything prostitution work. She say no problem. But when I reach Libya, he call me, tell me say na that prostitution. Now I go still do if I reach there. So I can't tell her say I not fit do this prostitution. So he abandoned me for Libya, for that ghetto. He abandoned me for there. I did there almost 2 months. We be 3 girls wey we take follow the woman connection. So those ones, as we dey for ghetto, the man wey get the ghetto, he need the money. So he can't say he will sell us so that he will get his money. I can't get luck for there. Say he get one Yoruba guy. I don't tell them, I say I don't want to do prostitution work. But at the year say they said for Libya that they do ass gay. If they feel carry me as ass mate, I go down. And so God can't take down, can't carry me come for there. Can't Tripoli, can't they do ass mate. For that place where I stay for that place, those people, they're not good at all. As we they work, they treat us, they look us like animal. They don't value us. They only value themselves. I just exercise patience for there for me to get money and come to this place that I am today. So the woman, today problem, tomorrow problem, and I go wake up in the morning, 5 o'clock, sleep. Sometimes I go sleep 12. Sometimes I go sleep 1. I can't dey cry every day because it can't too much for me. Not be what I expect.
Wetin be the things wey happen to you for the place where they kidnap you?
When I did for Libya, after I don't come out for the ghetto where I stay, the taxi where I even enter, now they kidnap me. I spent 6 months for Libya, for inside the room. The place where they kidnap me, they beat I be there say no dey beat woman, say mo control our money, but e get where e come reach, they come dey maltreat us. We no dey eat, maybe we eat once in a day. Today they will just dey flog us with small small all those pipe. Say mo control money, mo bring money, mo bring money. So everybody dey say we no get money oh, we no get money oh. And so they still keep us for there oh, say we go bring money till 6 months. We no dey see outside, we no know whether light dey, we no know whether sun dey, we just dey that room. Maybe sometimes we go beg them say we want bath, they will still allow us go bath. Sometimes they will say no water, sometimes they will say no even food for us. So from there, I don't even know, say I will still dey see tears for my face today. My tears really finish for there. Now person still come carry me comot for there, wey be say I come still dey Libya, come work, come still give am. After I don pay am finish, after I come still work my own, the little one wey I still get before they come help me, wey I still come this Europe. So the worst of thing wey come make me decide say I must cross, na be that fight wey they come dey fight. Since then my mind no rest. Today they fight, tomorrow gun gbug everywhere. Even my mother come dey fear, say my pikin do make you comot for there. And so I take comot for there. When I comot for Libya, so before I comot for Libya, people don dey say they get connection where they carry people dey cross. I come tell those my friends say me too I would like to cross, but I don't know anything about the road. So now so one day opportunity they just call me, say come you get money for hand. I say no, I not get money for hand though, because the problem where I did for here is too bad for me. And so they just help me. Before I know, I don't dey for where they enter boat, they cross. Before I enter that boat, as people take they tell me say the boat e get how e be oh, some dey burst for inside sea oh, some it will just zinc oh. I can't dey fear, but I can't see reason and say Nigeria where I for come, e get how e be. Even Libya where I say I stay, I no get rest of mind. Person no fit come outside, no free movement. Even if you dey inside taxi, you dey fear. So I just crossed my mind say, God, you be my father. I not get any father. Wetin I expect because that time wey we dey for that sea, where water come dey enter our boat, I come dey fear. Even till now, sometimes I'll just remember say, so now we be one just die like that. The boat come dey wave like this, water come dey wave, everybody come dey shout for the boat. Every day night still dey look am. Sometimes I'll just say, God, thank you. And so I for just die like that, without nobody know where I dey. It just be like say, the thing just be like say, I just carry myself, won't go kill myself. Because I not even think saying the road like that. I not just think saying like that. And even the time we will come out, what if by mistake as they talk and say boat just, who go rescue me? Me, I don't know how to swim. And so I will just die. Even I still dey think until now.
Based on everything wey happen to you as they walk up from there, go Malta. You get some kind of experience where you say you go like discuss, you go like to bring awareness to.
They just tell me say it's simple, easy. Before 1 week, I don't reach where they go. I don't know say it hard like this. I know say it sounds so difficult because if you tell person say no come, you go say, you see, don't reach there finish. You don't want me I come. You don't want me I progress. But they don't know how it risk. For my own, I no go even agree me any of my brother or any person where I know may enter this road because if not be God, maybe my enemy for that.